Hi there! Today we will learn how to combine single and double quotes in text. Let's open up Creative Suite. Look at this example. Can you see why it might not work? Pause the video and look at the code, then continue when you are ready. As you've probably figured out, the code is not correct. When we run the program, we get a syntax error. We can see that the apostrophe in I'm is causing the problem. Our program thinks that the apostrophe is a closing quote, and then at the end of the line, our program sees another opening quote, which is never closed. Have you noticed that the text changes color from brown to black after the second single quote? Text strings are colored brown, so in this case, the program reads the second single quote as the end of a text string. Watching for color changes can be very helpful when typing text strings. Back to our problem. How can we solve this? Let's change the enclosing quotes into double quotes and check if we get any errors. This time, the single quote inside of the double quoted string does not cause any issues. The program works correctly. This is one way to handle embedded quotation marks. If the text contains single quotes, then enclose the string with double quotes, and vice versa. Let's see one more example. Say we want to quote someone. What should we do? We want our program to print, Susie says, "Hello there." Pause the video and take a second to think how this can be done. There are two ways to do it. We can wrap the whole string in double quotes and the phrase said by Susie in single quotes. Or we can wrap the whole string into single quotes and the phrase said by Susie in double quotes. For direct speech, American English prefers double quotes. So we enclose the whole string in single quotes. As you can see, surrounding one type of quotes with the other solves the issue. A second way to manage embedded quotes is by using the backslash special character. Before, we have used backslash with the new line character \n. Backslash is used to escape any characters that might otherwise have a special meaning, such as our quotes. In this example, we want to display both double and single quotes within our printed statement. Let's try printing the statement as is. The interpreter sees a text string, "He said it doesn't look good." However, there is no closing single quote. Hence, this particular error message. Now let's edit the statement. By using backslash, we can display quotes without worrying about closing the print statement in the wrong place. We simply insert a backslash before the double quotes that are inside the text string. Now they are simply quotation marks without any special meaning. Now the statement prints correctly. In summary, you can manage embedded single quotes by enclosing the string with double quotes and vice versa. Or you can insert a backslash in front of any embedded quotes to remove their special meaning. Is the double quote really a special character? The Python 2 course includes interesting facts along the way, including an answer to this question. Enjoy!